Hello, champions! Welcome to the Tuition Master Edu Empowerment. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of editions. Join us as we explore the fundamentals of editions in fun and interactive way. Whether you are just starting your math journey or looking for a sharpen your skill, this session is perfect for the learners of all levels. Welcome back. Okay, so the topic which I'm going to cover is additions. Let us jump into it. Definitely you'll have fun. So now the topic of addition, definitely it will make you excited. Now for example, your friend has asked you two pens and you're carrying five pens and you don't know how to count two pens. It will be like, it will not be good in front of him, right? So how to add two pens and how are you going to acquire that value? All these things comes with easier additions. That's all, as simple as that. Only thing you should know the basic numbers. So how to calculate the total number of flowers in the next slides using addition. So whether is it sounds you excited or not? Yes, it is excited, right? Yeah. Now you see there are two beautiful roses, and how did you get the two value? Like adding one and one. That is two. Correct? So just adding is that. What you have to do? It is just one number and it is two numbers. That's all. One plus one. That is one plus one. It is two. Answer is two. Correct? Two flowers. So now see here. Now the witch with her magic. Oh, she's asking us to count the number of roses. Tell me now, how many roses are rotating? Now let us count again. 1, 2, and 3. Here, 1, 2, and 3. Right? So it is 3 roses over here plus 3 roses over here. So what is the count? 3 plus 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. It is 3 plus 3. So how are we going to count? 3. Just keep this 3 in mind. Show 3 fingers in your, okay, show 3 fingers in your hand and count. After 3, let us count the rest of the 3 numbers. Okay, after 3 it is 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so the total number of roses over here is 6, right? Okay, got it. So going into the next one. So here is an interesting story. A small story is over here. If you see, Harsha is studying in 3rd class. Which class Harsha is studying? He is studying in 3rd class. His teacher asked him to collect some information regarding the cost of different fruits. So he went to his Sankaraya. His name is Shankaraya, a fruit shop guy, in the evening. Now he is absorbing the cost of the fruits. Now you see there are certain, you can see the price list over here what Shankaraya has kept. So just observe this one. This guy, his name is Arsha and the shopkeeper name is Shankaraya, and teacher asked him to identify the cost of the fruits and he is seeing the price list. Okay, so now he has observed the price list. What are the different types of fruits over here? Apple is there, mango, watermelon, certain govas are there, plum is there, and what is this? Pineapple, and certain grapes are there, and bananas are there. Okay, so now, so as per the price list, we came to know the cost of the mango is 22 rupees. So I am writing it here. What is the cost of mango? Mango cost is 22 rupees. Cost of an apple is 30 rupees. And what is the cost of banana? It is 5 rupees. Okay, so what is the total cost of mango and banana? Mango and banana, you have to add these two, that is 22 plus 5. What is the cost of mango, apple and banana? That is 22 rupees plus apple cost is how much? 30 rupees. And what is the banana cost? 5 rupees. So now we are going to solve these two. Okay, so now problem number 4 I am solving it for you. So whenever this type of problem comes, first what you have to do, you have to write, since it is like a 2-digit one, 22 and 5, right? So you have to write ones and tens. Okay, so now first of all the cost of the mango, right? Cost of mango, correct? What is the cost of mango? It is 22 rupees. Now what is the cost of banana? Cost of banana. See, I'm writing in shortcut form, don't laugh, huh? So, right, see, I'm sorry, gone. So cost of banana is how much? 5 rupees. So now step 1, what we have to do, step 1, always add in ones, that is the step 1. Okay, so what is the values you got in 1, 2 and 5? So in 2, okay, in 2, now when we are adding 2 and 5, always keep this one in mind. You have to keep always the bigger number, okay, bigger number in your mind. So now what is the bigger number when compared to 2 and 5? 5 is the bigger, right? So keep bigger number in your mind for easier operation. Okay, so 5 in your mind, and show me your 5 fingers. Show me your right hand, and in that one just open 2 fingers, 1 and 2. Okay, so open your 2 fingers and now start counting. After 5, close one finger, what it is? 6, and the next finger it is 7, correct? So 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, and now you have to come to the step 2. You have to come to tens. Okay, so in tens, is there anything here? It is nothing, 0. So a value plus 0 is the value only. Now for example, now what is the bigger value here? It is 2, right? Now what is the value here? Nothing, right? So will you be able to open any fingers for 0? Nothing, right? So 2 plus nothing is nothing, but it is 2 only, right? Very good. So the answer is 27. Now the fifth sum I'm solving for you. Okay, so same way now in fifth. Okay, so now similar way you have to write first ones and tens. Okay, ones and tens. So in ones, what is the cost of mango? Mango cost is how much? 22 rupees. And the total cost of mango, apple and banana they had. So total cost in the sense you have to add all the three. 22 plus 30 and 5. You have to add. So what is the step 1 I told you, children? First step you have to add ones, and you have to always keep in mind, keep a bigger number in your mind while counting, and show your fingers, right? You have show me your fingers. In that one, what is the finger count? You have to show only 2. So 5 in your mind and 2 in the fingers. So when you count after 5, it is 6 and 7, right? It is 7, and you have to come to tens now. So count over here this one first. What is the bigger number over here? 3. So 3 in the mind and 2 on the fingers. After 3 it is 4 and 5. So answer is 55. Correct? So what is the total cost of mango, apple and banana? The total cost is 55 rupees. Got it, children? See, it is I don't think that I'm going a bit fast, but I'll definitely elaborate in the next upcoming slides. Don't worry. So Shankaraya has sold everything. Okay. Now, starting of the story, I told you this guy name is Shankaraya, right? Correct. So at the end of the day, Shankaraya found only 51 pomegranates and 6 mangoes and 2 guavas in his shop. Okay. So how many pomegranates are there? It is just 51. How many mangoes? 6 mangoes and 22 guavas in his shop. And he went to orchard. There are 32 pomegranate trees are there, 25 mango trees are there, and 38 guava trees are there. Now the question is, how many trees are there in that orchard? Yeah, what is the question? How many trees are there in the orchard? Okay, this is the question. So now, shall we solve this? Yeah, we'll solve. First thing, I told you, whenever you get this type of problems, how you have to write? So segregate. What is this? It is ones and this is tens. Right? Yes, I'll be explaining you this one. So this is adding of two numbers. Now earlier I had explained you a basic addition of two-digit numbers. Now I'm going into deeper for your better understanding, right? Okay. Coming back. So at the end of the day, Shankaraya found only 51 pomegranates, 6 mangoes, 22 guavas in his shop. So where did he went? He went to the orchard. There he has found 32 pomegranate trees, 25 mango trees and 38 guava trees. How many trees are there in all in the orchard? So first of all, the problem is that we should find out what are the number of trees. That is the question, right? So now number of pomegranate trees is how much? 32. So I told you, right, we have to segregate ones and tens. Okay, yes. So now here, first, what is the step one? I told. Sorry. Now, number of pomegranate trees is 32. So now, what is the step one I had told? We have to count ones first, right? So in ones, what are the things are there? What are the numbers? It is 2 plus 5 plus 8. So now, how are you going to count? So adding ones. So how are you going to add? Here 2 plus 5. First you add first two numbers. Okay. So what is 2 plus 5? Tell me. 2 plus 5. So how did I tell you? First you have to keep the bigger number in your mind. So 5, keeping 5 in your mind, add plus 2. So 5 plus 2. So 5 in the mind and adding 2. So after 5 it is 6 and 7, right? So now what is the number you got? 7. Now you have to add this particular 7 with this number. Okay. So now what is a bigger number comparably? 8 is a bigger number, right? So you have to keep 8 in the mind. Now show me your both hands. Good. Open only 7 fingers in that. Yes. So now you have to count. Close one by one 7 fingers, right? After 8 it is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so what we got? 15. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, correct? So for 7 I had opened 7 fingers. I had kept 8 in mind and I got this particular answer. What is the value I got by adding this? 15. So if it is 15, So again you have to keep ones here, that is 5 over here, and this particular one in the carryover, that will go on the tens, right? Okay, so you are keeping 1 in the carryover. So now in tens, so the numbers are 3, 2 and again 3. So now first add these two numbers. So keeping bigger number in mind, adding, show your two fingers, 1 and 2. So after 3 it is 4 and 5. Okay. So now 5 in the mind, the result which you got by adding these two is 5. Now this particular 5 should be added with 3. So 5 plus 3, it is 5 in the mind, show me 3 fingers, correct. 5 plus 3, it is 6, 7 and 8. So the answer which you got by adding these 3 numbers is 8. But remember one thing, you had one number as a carryover, right? So you have to add that particular carryover here. So after 8, one number. So 8 plus 1, it is 9. So what is the answer? The answer is 95. So what is the total number of trees? Okay, the total number of trees we got is 95. Got it? So what is the steps I have done? Tell me. Step 1, what I have done? Add all the ones places first I had added. Correct? What is the step 2 I have done? Tell me children, what is the step 2 I have done? I had added the tens place, correct. So in tens place when I had added, so now you got, what is the answer you got? Final answer, it is 95, correct? So first I had added these particular ones and next I had added this one. See, counting the numbers by showing the figures I had told you, right? So when you have to open 2 fingers, you have to show in this way or this way. So for 3 fingers I told you to show, 4 fingers, 5 fingers, just practice it. For 1 to 10 numbers, how to show your fingers. So it will be helpful for you to solve easily mathematical additions, and you will definitely become champions and you can do very fastly. Okay, very good. So now Shankaraya want to purchase fruits in a wholesale market. He has purchased 60 pomegranates and 120 mangoes and 110 guavas. So what is the total count he has purchased? Come on, tell me. So now Shankaraya wants to purchase fruits in wholesale. He has purchased 60 pomegranates. So what is the total number of pomegranates he has purchased? Number of pomegranates, how many he has purchased? Tell me. Number of pomegranates, how many he has purchased? 60, correct? Good. So number of mangoes, how many he has purchased? Tell me. See, I am writing in shortcut. 120. What is the number of guavas he has purchased? Number of guavas. Okay, number of guavas 110 he has purchased. So now children, tell me what is the total count of fruits he has purchased. So same way I told you, right? You have to first of all segregate. Step 1, what you have to do? You have to add, take ones and tens, then after that add hundreds. Simple. Okay. Step 1, add in ones place, and step 2, add in tens place, and step 3, you should add in hundreds place, because there are 3 digits. Here 1, it is tens, and this is hundreds. Okay? Yes. Now so 60 plus 20. Wait, I'll tell you. So 60, I'll write in brief here. Where I'll write? Okay, I'll write here. So I'll take blue color. Ones, tens, and hundreds. So total number of pomegranates he has purchased is 60, and total number of mangoes is 120, and total number of govas is 110. Okay, so now what is the step 1? You have to add ones place. In ones, what are there? It is 0 0 0 0 0 0 means nothing, so it is 0. Okay, now in tens it is 6 plus 2 plus 1, right? So 6 plus 2 plus 1. So I had told you in the first sum itself, whenever you find a bigger number, you keep that one in the mind and show the two fingers. Show me two fingers like this. Very good. So keep 6 in the mind, and after 6 you count 7 and 8. Okay, 7 and 8 you got by adding these two. So now 8 in the mind, and you have to add 1 because this 1 is left out, right? So 8 plus 1, it is 9. Show me one finger, keep 8 in the mind. 8 plus 1, it is 9. So anything is carried out here? No, nothing. So in hundreds, what are the digits you got? It is 1 over here and another 1 over here. What is 1 plus 1? Show me one finger and keep 1 in the mind. What is 1 plus 1? It is 2. The answer is 290 fruits. What is the answer? 290. Very good. Hope you understood. Okay, so now quick open your rough notes or just take screenshot of this one, and I guess you people can do this because I had explained bit tougher ones on problems before. Yeah, first one I'll do for you. Now do the following, add these two. So what is the step 1? Step 1, you have to add in ones place. So whenever you are adding ones place, what did I say? Keep bigger number in mind. Correct? So bigger number in mind. And what you have to do? So here 8 in the mind. Next I had asked you to show 6 fingers. So how to show 6 fingers? You have to show like this. Show me your 6 fingers like this. Very good. Keep 8 in the mind. And now start counting 6 fingers, closing one by one. So 1 I had closed. After 8 it is 9. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So what is the value we got? 14. 14 in the sense, how you have to write? 4 in one's place and 1 should be carryover. So where it will go? It will go above tens place, right? Very good. Or you can write over here also. Now in this tens place, which is a bigger value? 6. So what did I say? Keep 6 in the mind and show me 4 fingers like this, children. Okay. So now 4, how are you going to do? 4, that means what is the value you kept in your mind? 6. 6 plus 4, right? After 6 it is 7, 8, 9 and 10. Correct? Very good. So 0 here and 1 you got, right? Where you have to write that particular 1? In 100. So nothing is there, so it will be kept. What is the answer? The answer is 104. Okay, now similar way we will be solving this problem. You solve this problem and this problem. Okay, you just pause this thing, take a screenshot, and you have to do this homework. I'm going ahead. These are very easy problems, children. I guess you are doing it by your own, no copying and no cheating. I'm not telling you the answers for these things. Yes. Now, we had learned for adding 2-digit numbers till now, right? Now, the concept is addition of 3-digit numbers. What? Addition of 3-digit numbers. Okay, so now I had explained you a bit on on outer picture. Now I am explaining you in deeper, so it will be definitely captured in your mind. Okay, just focus, concentrate, which is watching you, or else she'll tell you a wrong spell. Okay, don't get diverted. Yeah, you see how she is watching. Okay, come on. So addition of 3-digit numbers with 1-digit number. So how are we going to do now? For example, hundreds, tens and ones. So the first one how I've done, I've shown you a single digit number adding for this particular 120. So now, for example, at Shankaraya, our hero has purchased 120 mangoes. Okay, so orderly, sorry, this is with, let's find the total mangoes with Shankaraya. So Shankaraya has purchased 120 mangoes. Earlier he is having a stock of 6 mangoes already. So what is the total count now he is carrying with him? So simple. Tell me. Very easy, right? Simple. What we have to do? We have to add this one and this one, right? So now Shankaraya has purchased 120 mangoes. Earlier stock was 6. So now simply you have to add these two. And here 6 in the sense it is in ones place. And 120. So ones, tens, 100. So you know how to write in expansion form, right? 121, 0 ones, 2 tens and 1 hundreds. Okay, 1, 2, 0, right? So now is there anything in ones above 6? So nothing. So nothing plus 6, 0 plus 6 is the same value. So 6, and in tens it is 2, and hundreds it is 1. So what is the total stock he got? He got 126 mangoes with him. Correct? Chalo. Going ahead. So now, quick answers by you, right? So now tell me, 501, that means 501, is added with 8. So what is the answer, children? Come on, taka, you have to tell me the answers. So now 8 is the bigger value, right? 8 is the bigger value, and 1 is the smaller value. So what is the thing I told you? You have to keep 8 in mind since it is a bigger value, and show me one finger. Correct? Yes. Show me the one finger. Yeah. Okay. Keep 8 in mind. So now after 8, what is the answer? It is 9. Correct? So now, is there anything in the tens? No. So it is 0. And what it is there in hundreds? It is 5. So what is the answer? It is 509. If you have got the same answer, very good. You are faster than me. Good. Okay. What is the next sum? 713 plus 3. Come on, quick. What is the answer? Yes, I can hear from you. Very good boy. Come on, fast. It is 3. So if it is same value, keep 3 in mind and show me 3 fingers. After 3, it is 4, 5 and 6. So when once it is 6. Is there anything in tens? Nothing. So it is 1. Is there anything in hundreds in this place? Nothing. So it is 7. So our answer is 716. So what is this answer? This is 6, 9 and 8. 896. If you got 896, then very good. So now tell me how to solve this. The same way you have to write in this pattern. Simple. So you have to write 195. So plus 4. Now add in ones. Correct? So bigger number in mind, 5 in mind, and 4 you have to add. Show 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 in ones, and what is there in tens? It is 9. And what is there in hundreds? It is 1. The answer is 199. If you get 199, you are doing great. You got the concept. Now tell me, children, what is this? So it is 302. Same way. Now it is ones, it is tens, and this is in hundreds. And now 2 means it is in ones. So what step 1 we have to add? Only ones. So 2 plus 0, it is 2. Is there anything in tens over here? Nothing. So the same number, right? So 3 is 0, and in tens it is 3. So what is the answer? 302. Okay, so now let us see this problem. A television shop owner Ramesh had 123 TVs in his shop. So how many TVs Ramesh is having? 123 TVs. Okay, so dealer supplied 6 more TVs to him. How many extra dealer has supplied? 6 more TVs. Now total how many TVs does Ramesh have now? Similar type of problem we had done, right? For Shankaraya, he has purchased certain mangoes and he is having 6 mangoes and some mangoes he has purchased, and total thing we had added, that is the stock. Same way we have to write, right? So now I am writing the problem. Concentrate. So number of TVs in the shop already, how many? 123. So number of TVs supplied by dealer is 6. Why I am writing here? Because since it's 6 means it is ones place. Okay, so this is tens. For you, for better understanding, you have to write in the same way. Okay, so what is the total number of TVs in the shop? So it is ones and this is one. So just add ones and the rest will be the same number. If it is carry on, then you have to add, right? So now 6 in the mind and show me 3 fingers. So after 6 it is what? 7, 8 and 9. So 9 here, and in tens is there anything to add? Nothing. So this one number will be carried below. So it is 2, and in hundreds it is 1. So what is the total number of TVs in stock with Ramesh? 129 TVs. Correct? Wow, very good. Similar way, so adding a 3-digit number with 3-digit numbers, this is quite interesting, right? Now earlier you had added only 1 digit, now suddenly 3 digits. See, if you do this one, automatically you will get this one, right? This is adding 2-digit numbers, now adding 3 of 3. This is quite interesting, man. We can do it. Let's do it. Yes. So first I'll solve this one for you so that you'll be understanding this one. Okay. So now add 763 and 125. So what is the step 1 we have to do? Step 1 we have to start with ones, correct? So in ones it is 3 and it is 5. So first thing I had told you, basic thing, always keep bigger number in mind, correct? So what is the bigger number over here? 5 is the bigger number and 3 is the smaller number. Now 3. So what you have to do? You have to show me 3 fingers in your right hand. 3 fingers. Okay, correct? So now 3 fingers you have to show me. So now what you have to do? You have to keep 5 in the mind. After 3, 5 it is correct. 6, 7 and 8. So I got 8 in ones. Now in tens, what is the bigger number? 6. Keeping 6 in mind, how many fingers you have to show? 2 fingers, because it is 2 here. After 6 it is 7 and 8. So again 8 in tens, right? Now over here 7 is a bigger number, right? And 1 is in ones. Now tell me, no, louder. 7 in the mind, 1 on the finger. After 7 it is 8. So the answer is, you see, this is 888. Answer is 888. Correct? Very good. Now same way you have to solve this problem. Note it down. Easy peasy. So now I am solving this one for you. See, now you learned how to do for the 3 digit in 2 rows. Now here 3 digit in 3 rows. It is as simple as that. I had already explained you, right? First thing, you have to add first two numbers. You have to add first two numbers and next third one, right? So now what is the step one? Okay, I'll read out the question for you first. Now Shankaraya had 111 pomegranates, 126 mangoes and 132 guavas. Okay, so in shop, how many mangoes and guavas are there totally? Question is that only mangoes and guavas. So total number of mangoes, how many? As per this question, 126. Total number of guavas, 133, right? So now here, ones, this is ones place, again this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. So how solve this problem for me? So adding ones, keeping bigger number in mind, showing two fingers. So after 6 it is 7 and 8, so it is 8. Same way, add this one, it is 5, and the next one is 2, correct? So answer is 258. Now if the question is like that, like what is the total number of fruits he is carrying, like pomegranates, mangoes and guavas? Now this is like 3 numbers you have to add. So now here in this case, first we have to add what? 6 plus 2, where see, if you add this 6 plus 2, 8 will come in one's place. Now next, if you add these two, same way you have to add these two, you will get 5 in tens place and 2 in hundreds place. Now you got 258, correct? Now if the third number you got is 132, so you can add, right? If you divide and add, you can easily add, right? Because now you understood the concept of adding two numbers. Similar way, 3 numbers also you can add same way. Now solve these problems for me, children. Fast. Take a screenshot of this. I'll give you just 10 seconds time. Just take a screenshot, and this should be your homework, and you have to keep in the comment section. Okay, very good. See, always showing fingers, I am showing the technique. You have to follow this pattern. Whenever you show fingers, it will be very easy for you, because writing somewhere 1, 2, 3 and 4, it will be the whole trick, but this one is faster and you can do easily and fast, right? Okay, hope you have taken the screenshot, and I guess you can solve these things very easily. I'm moving ahead. Here I'm going to explain you addition of 3-digit numbers with 3-digit number, and here carry forward also. Okay, so now this guy, tallest guy, this taller guy name is Venu, and this girl name is Ramya. Okay, they both went to Jyoti orphanage, where Jyoti orphanage home, to donate some money. So Venu has donated rupees 648 and Ramya has donated 487 rupees. So now, what is the total amount both Venu and Ramya has donated to Jyoti orphanage home? Come on, children. I had already explained you the process. Tell me how it is going to be done. Okay, I myself will tell you. So now, what is the amount Venu has donated? Venu has donated 648 rupees, correct? Yes, correct. Now, how much Ramya has donated? 487 rupees, correct? Now, you people can easily solve now, right? So what is the total amount? So now what is this? This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, correct? So now in ones, what is the bigger number? 8 is the bigger number. So what is the smaller number? 7. So what is the first step I told? First we have to start with ones. In that one, which is the bigger number, that you have to keep in your mind. And for the next 7, you show me 7 fingers, right? Okay. So now 7 fingers plus 8 in the mind. So after 8, it is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 7 numbers, right? So 7 numbers. So now what is the value you got? It is 15. So 1, 5. So again, if 15, how to write? So 15 in the sense, if you expand it, 5 is in ones and 1 is in tens. So this particular 5 will come in ones. And what about 5? Where 5 will come? 5 is going to come over here. What about tens place? So this in tens, 1 will be the carryover one, right? In tens, 1 will be the carryover one. So now, what is the next step? Now you have to add tens. So what is the bigger number over here? It is 8. So keep 8 in the mind. Keep 8 in the mind. Okay. And next 4 numbers. Oh, show me your 4 fingers like this. Okay. So 8 in the mind. After 8, 9. Yeah, 9, 10, 11 and 12, correct? So what is the answer you got? 12. So again 2 in tens place and again 1 in which place? It will be carried out to hundreds. Okay, so now 6 plus 4, correct? 6 plus 4 is in the hundreds place. Now which is a bigger number here? 6 is a bigger number. So keeping 6 in the mind. Sorry, here I have done a mistake. What is that mistake? The carryover, whatever it is, I have not added, right? So 8 plus 4, it has come 12. And what about the carryover one? You have to add the carryover also. So the carryover is here, right? So that is 13. So 3 over here and 1 over here. So now in hundreds, 6, 4 and 1. Okay. Now if you add this carryover, okay, what is the value? 6 plus 1, it is 7. So now 7 in the mind, 4 on the fingers again. Okay. After 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the answer is 1, 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now you see the answer here. So take the screenshot for you to take for proper understanding. I explained you. I had mentioned with solution for you for the proper understanding for yesterday's also. If you take the screenshot, later you will understand. Not a problem. Okay. Take this screenshot, children. Right. Shall I move to the next slide? Okay. I hope you can do these problems, right? These are very easy. Same way you have to add this. So now they had explained this particular problem. So the answer is 1135, 1135. So stepwise they had shown. That's all. So I hope you understood the topic. So thank you for watching. I'll be coming with subtractions in the next topic. Please do subscribe and press bell icon for further more videos. Just to support your tuition master with more subscriptions. Bye bye. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to press like button and do subscribe. Bye.